Okay guys, it's happening, it's finally happening. Millie isn't here today to help me, so I've just like made the impulsive decision to go grey. So we're using Brite Organix grey. I was tossing up between silver and grey. Both have reviews that say that your hair can potentially go green, which is terrifying. I thought I was gonna leave my hair like this, but I'm not really loving what it looks like, especially with the regrowth. Fingers crossed for this grey, otherwise I'm going to kill myself. So welcome to this episode of I Want to Dye. And let's get started. I have 2 bottles. So what I'm gonna do is just tie up half my hair so that I can proportion this perfectly, because you know how bad I am with running out of hair dye. If you guys have seen any of our other episodes of I Want to Dye, it's pretty much happened every single time. Oh, it's already started off on a bad note. All right, so half my hair is up. All right. Oh God, I'm so nervous. You know what, the back, I've already accepted the back is gonna totally screw up. Let's do that. That looks fun. See, it doesn't look like a whole bunch, hey? I'm just gonna squeeze that out. That sounds disgusting. I love Brite because of how much they say babe. Like, it's so funny. It's like, babe, do a strand test. And you're like, babe, I'm doing a strand. I did do a strand test and it only, oh, I can't even tell where I did the strand test, so that's not a good sign. Now my question is, do I use an applicator or not? I feel like applicators it's another just a waste of time. I'm just gonna do it YOLO. I'm gonna use my fingers. There's no going back now. This consistency is so gooey. I feel like once the hair's coated, you still can't really like tell. Okay, no, that's obviously coated. Stop being this dumb bitch. All right. My hair betrays me because it's so thick. The box says leave it for 10 minutes, but I did a strand test for 10 minutes and nothing showed up. So I'm actually gonna leave it for like half an hour. Please don't yell at me. Man, my arm's already cramping. I'm so unfit. God, I went to the gym once this week. You guys have to hold me accountable. Like, I need to go to the gym just because my arm shouldn't be cramping after like 5 minutes. Good thing about having roots is that I don't need to do them. Oh my God, I feel like I'm missing so much. For someone that dyes her hair so much, I've learnt nothing and I hate doing it. Do you guys see that? Like that bit? Maybe, that's not even a nice ombre though, that's just like yellow. Ah! I really liked the pink that Natsumi did, but it washed out so quickly. Half my head's done and 1 bottle was perfect. Like, it just made it. Hopefully it's pretty even. Like right now, I love this. I hope it washes out exactly how it looks right now with the dye in. But the likelihood of that happening is nil. Bottle number 2. My hands are so slippery. I don't even know if this is gonna open. Oh. All right, bottle number 2. This is all the hair dye I have left. Hopefully it should work. I was really leaving it close on this half, like by the end. The most important bit is the top, so I should really be saving a heck of a lot more for the top. Does anyone have that problem where they can't tie it? Like, this side of my hair is so much harder to tie for some reason. And we begin again. Thanks for following me on this journey, by the way. Like, I've wanted grey hair for such a long time. I really wanted like Daenerys white hair for ages, and you know, being brown and having Asian hair, I quickly came to terms with the fact that that's probably never gonna. Actually, you know what, I'm not even gonna say probably, it's like never gonna happen. This is the limit to which my hair can get bleached and it's still like quite blonde. And that's okay. You know, I've come to terms with it. It was hard. However, if you are Asian, of any Asian descent, and you have white hair, please let me know how that went down. How did you get that going, girl? I wish I could like Twitch, like live stream my hair dye. Because right now, what would really distract me from the pain is answering questions and stuff. My boyfriend's gonna be home in a few hours. I would love to surprise him with my silver locks of hair. He's the type of person that won't, like, he'll just be like, that looks amazing no matter what I do. Even though, you know, no one in their right mind would say that looked cool. Look at this hair, like, where is from? Get lost. It literally looks like I've done nothing. I'm so tired. Okay. These are making me nervous. Oh shit, am I gonna run out of hair dye? I have that much left and I still have this chunk. Ugh, shit. Oh, why have I done this to myself? I will give Brite this, like this gel really goes a long way. Oh guys, I did it. I have no idea what the back looks like. I just hope to God that everything is covered. It's looking a little yellow up here. There's nothing I can do. That's looking... Man, how nice do I look with grey hair? Ah! I'm gonna leave this in for 45 minutes and then I'm going to wash it out and I'm gonna let it naturally dry because I don't want to blow dry my hair right now, and I'll let you know. Okay guys, it's been like roughly 45 minutes. I'm gonna wash this out. Looking at it just in front of me, the tips here are looking a little yellow. I'm a little nervous, but we won't know till I wash it out, so I'm gonna give it a wash. Okay guys, I did not wait in the sun like I said I would. I got impatient and there wasn't enough sun. So I've blow dried it, which is why it looks frizzy and dead. And it also looks frizzy and dead because it is frizzy and dead. But as far as these box dye jobs have gone, I am very impressed with myself. The roots are exactly what I thought would happen. There's a little yellow tinging along there because they just weren't as dyed, like they weren't as white as the rest of it. I'm finally grey. I've wanted to be grey for years, for literally years. Look at me, I look like a crazy witch. Oh my God, I look like a witch. Why did I wear this dress? Okay, it's fine. I cannot believe I have grey hair. I'm absolutely shocked that this worked. Wow. I have nothing else to say. This worked. I'm really happy. I wonder how long it'll stay for. Brite Organix, you done me good this time. Bye. Let me know what you think. I'm so happy. Everything's okay. My roots will probably have to be sorted by a professional, but otherwise...
You guys are really awesome.